In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy a Steam gift card on Steam. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The most convenient way to get a Steam gift card to give to your friends or to use yourself is through the latest version of the Steam launcher. So I recommend that you do this process on the launcher instead of the website, but regardless of which option you pick, all that you have to do is go to the store page. So hover over store and go into featured. Make sure you are signed into your account where you are going to be purchasing the gift card, and at the top right corner of the store you should see this Steam gift cards, give the gift of the game. So click this option and immediately you will be redirected to the main page for gift cards. You will see that there are plenty of options. You can send a digital gift card through Steam itself, which is what I'm going to teach you in this video, but you also have plenty of other options. You have information regarding gift cards. You can find physical gift cards in your area if you want to gift them that way, or you can redeem a physical code that you have. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do a digital gift card through Steam itself. So click the option to send through Steam and you are going to see all the options that you have to buy a Steam gift card on Steam. Choose the specific amount. This is going to be adjusted to your currency, and from here all you have to do afterwards is choose a friend. So immediately after you choose the amount, you will be able to browse through your friends list. Keep in mind that if you and your friends are on different countries, this price will be adjusted and the new price that they're going to receive is going to be displayed for you, and how much you are going to pay will match that amount. So select any friend on the list and then click continue. You can include a personal message, so you can include the recipient's first name, a full gift message with up to 160 characters, and then a little signature over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave these as is because I'm only doing this video for demonstration purposes. And finally, you can include the payment method that you want to use to finish making this purchase. So choose any of the payment methods available on this list and click continue. I'm not going to go ahead and demonstrate this full process, but as long as you include valid and legitimate information regarding any of these payment methods, your friend will get a notification after you are done with checkout where they can accept the gift card that you sent. You have a lot of frequently asked questions here on this page if you need additional help, but as long as you do this process through this page and you select a good amount that you have enough balance to pay for, you will be able to gift the gift card through Steam. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Steam gift cards on Steam. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.